What are refs in React? Do they mean references to something?
Yes, in React, refs are like a direct connection to a DOM element or a component. They let us access and change things without re-rendering.
Oh, so instead of using state, we can use refs to interact with things?
Exactly. State causes a re-render when it updates, but refs don't. They just store a value that we can change without React noticing.
That sounds useful. How do we create a ref?
We use the use ref hook. Let's say we want to focus an input box when a button is clicked.
Oh, use ref null creates a ref, and then we attach it to the input using ref equal input ref.
Exactly. Then input ref.current.focus tells the browser to focus on the input when the button is clicked.
So refs let us interact with elements without changing state or causing a re-render?
Yes, they're great for accessing DOM elements like inputs or buttons, storing values without triggering re-renders, keeping track of previous values.
Can refs also store numbers or data, not just DOM elements?
Yes, you can use them like this.
Oh, count.current updates every second, but the component doesn't re-render.
That's right. Refs are great when we need a changing value but don't want a re-render.
Got it. Refs help us access elements and store values without causing updates.
Exactly.